Mary, tell me more about CASA LA. What is CASA LA and what is it that you guys do?
Sure. CASA of Los Angeles is a nonprofit organization. So CASA, CASA stands for Court Appointed Special Advocates, and we provide advocacy for foster youth in LA County. So what we do, how we do that is we get volunteers, community volunteers, to train them, and then after they get trained and sworn in officially by a judge in the children's courthouse, they are paired with a foster child to work one-on-one with them. So these children are in the system, and they have social workers and lawyers who are all very good people.
I'm not familiar with the foster system, so what are we trying to solve here? What are we trying to get this kid out of?
So they're taken away from their homes due to could be abuse, could be neglect. So they're taken away from their homes, and so now they're living in a foster home, in a temporary home, in a group home, and so now, and once they're in the system, they have a social worker, and they have children's lawyers.
So you are trying to get these kids out of that to bring them into a home.
We're trying to see what they need. So let's just say that child has a special service they need at school. So you want to make sure, like a parent makes sure that their child is getting certain needs at school, that the teacher is following a certain program. Well, no one's doing that for
because
this
the parents is not there, right? So you are acting like the parents, basically.
Sort of, but you're making sure that happens. Maybe it's medical stuff, medical things that they need. So getting a certain medical. One of our kids, he was like 5 or 6 years old, and the teachers were saying he has a learning disability because he's not really understanding. He's just like looking at her. He's not responding to anything he says. And so then he was given a CASA, and the CASA's talking to him, and she said, well, why does he keep touching his ear? Let's go get him see an ear doctor. So they did, and they got the court to pay for it, and it turned out he has a hearing problem. That's all. So then the court then the CASA goes in court and asks for a hearing aid, for the county to give him a hearing aid. He has one, and he's perfectly fine.
And this is a government agency, or?
Yeah, we're a nonprofit organization, government agency since over 40 years. Yeah.
Thank you.
CASA learns what the child needs, and then they go to court, and then they will let the judge know. Okay, so this child needs this, and the judge, because he doesn't know that child, he listens to him and says, "Oh, is that what he needs? Okay, let's get that for that child." And then the last thing that our CASA volunteers do is secure a permanent placement for that child.
Like housing for them.
Yeah, like a place that would, because sometimes they may not be happy with where they're living. It may not be suitable for them. So something like that. But also, a lot of parents are working towards getting the child back to their home because the parents are taken away for various reasons. And some of the reasons could be neglect, but it's because of poverty. The parents are working 2-3 jobs, so they're never home. So then the child is at home and no one's taking care of that child, and then somebody reports to.
Oh, because if you're under a certain age, you cannot be alone at home.
Yeah, but see the child, the parent, they're poor. They have to work, no choice. Yeah. So then the CASA says, okay, let's try to figure out a way for you to get your child back. Like, what do you need to do? Like, do you need
to help the kids?
To help the parents. Yeah, because we don't want families to be separated. We want, as long as the parents want to have the child back and are working towards that goal, and they're not harming the child, then that's what we're doing.
That's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll be in touch with you. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you.
And do you have a card?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to my booth. I'm gonna take it back. I'm right at the end for
And I hear that you are sponsored us.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Because I know Sandy for like 10 years, so when she asks me, I just say yes. But I don't know. I don't know what CASA is.
Well, let's get you more info.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.